How to buy Kekius, the Kekius Maximus token. So you may see this Kekius, it's similar to the Kekius token, but the first one, it's under Ethereum network, but this one, it's under the Solana network. It's different from each other. Now, before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. Now, before that, go and check the X account and keep following the updates about this token. After that, go and open it on your Dexcoiner account. If you don't have an account on it, just go and create one. As you can see, there is a different info about this token. As I said before, this token it's different from the first one. This token it's under the Solana network, but the first one it's under the Ethereum network. Now the other thing is, if you click on this lock icon, you can see that 98% of liquidity is locked. That means your investment in the safe place. Now this token it's increased by 900,000% the last 24 hours. Now to be able to buy this token, it's easy and simple. Just copy the token address from here and open your Phantom wallet, as you can see. Now after that, just log into your wallets like that. Click on unlock. Now click on swap from here and make sure you have enough Solana on your network, on your wallet. Sorry. Now click here and paste the token address, as you can see, to be able to find it. So this is the Kekius Maximus under the Solana network. Now click on it, and now here enter how much you want to buy. Wait a few seconds to be able to see how much you receive. So this is how much you receive. Now from here, just select the provider, for example Jupiter, and make sure to read all of this information from here and click on swap. Now after that, you will be redirected to Jupiter provider page to be able to buy this token. If you face any issues, just go back to this page, click on this page, switch it from here or custom it. Now after that, you will be able to buy this token without any issue. So this is how to buy the Kekius under the Solana network. If you find this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.